What's up? Today we've got another build for you guys. This will be a quick video just on this one truck, but we've got a 22 Ram going under the knife, getting a whole bunch of goodies here. So we'll show you that here in just a second. So like I said, we've got a 22 Ram in here. This thing is getting the works. I should say the simplified works. It's not getting a ton of stuff like a lot of these bigger builds that we get are, but this one's getting lift, wheels, tires, and a set of airbags. This is a work truck, so we got to keep it fairly simple on this one. But we're getting a McGaughys 8-inch kit on here. So American Force wheels, Nitto ridge grapplers, goods from Firestone and Airlift, and that's pretty much it. Very simple, but should be a pretty awesome build. Look really good when it's all done. They're already started on it. They're halfway through. As you can see, it's lunchtime for the guys, and so they'll be doing more on it here in just a little bit and probably have it finished by the end of the day today. So the Ram is all out of the shop, as you can see behind me here, and we'll take you around it real quick and kind of show you what all was done to this thing. So first things first, what we ended up doing on this is we did a McGaughys 8-inch kit on here. We've started to become real big fans of these McGaughys kits, especially for these larger setups like this Ram here and like the Denali that we did a week ago or so. So the McGaughys kits, very good. I mean, powder coated, as you can see there. Very simplified kits, but well overdone, especially for the type of vehicle that you kind of want to show off. We did a set of 22x12 American Force wheels on this thing, wrapped in a set of 37 1350 Nitto ridge grapplers. So those perfect fitment for this. No rubbing whatsoever on it. Very simple. And then since this truck is a work truck, he's roofer, so he's going to be towing dump trailers and various different styles of trailers as well. We added a set of Firestone airbags, 5,000-pound bags, and then Airlift wireless easy mount compressor that you use with the controller right here. Cool thing with these airbags being wireless, this little controller right here, I'll show you real quick. As you can see, it's powering on. It's at 35. We're just gonna bump this down here all the way to 5 PSI. That's the minimum that allows these bags to be at, and you'll hear it pop on in just a second. There you go. Bags are compressing. Very simple system. One of our favorite compressor systems to use on really any airbags that are out there. All right, well, that is it for this Ram. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We will catch you guys on the next build that we do here.